Hello, Delora. Hello. Oh, let me show you the view first. So showing myself. Okay, this is ideal because it was really cloudy earlier, but the sun is peeking. So we're about to go on Ocean Trails Reserve in Rancho Palos Verdes. I was looking at the different trails and I think I wanted to go to Gnatcatcher, so that's exciting that we went to the right one. I was hoping so, but woo! So we're just gonna, I guess, follow the trail at this point in time. I really don't care where we go or end up, but am I filming my shirt? That's funny. Okay, brought my backpack. I packed carrots, garlic and herb, pretzels, and an apple, and a piece of chocolate. But other than that, I'm just gonna get to the nitty-gritty and show you the trail. So, parked at the top. Seems like there's plenty of parking today on a Sunday. And stairs, and we're on our way. Okay, we're greeted by some cacti. First fork in the road. I wish I had like a headphone holder. A headphone holder. A phone holder for my head.
Oh, okay.
Which, speaking of, when I did the GoPro video on the trail we went with Mike, I did not love it. I was like, ugh.
Why? Was it shaky?
Yeah. I was like, well, maybe if I do it on my chest, it would be better, but no. I was better off just using my phone. All the beautiful houses out there. Flowers. Okay, so quick stop and update. I came down the trail and actually, let me start from the top because I need you to see what we saw. So, go along the trail of the mountainside and then you go down these stairs and boom. It just gets better, I swear. Like, doing this trail, it's like more and more every step. So, we're here. Sorry if the wind is blowing. I may have to record over this, but it's just so pretty. And as I say that, of course, the wind progressively gets worse, but hey, look at these beautiful golf courses. Just fantastic views, honestly. And the fact that this house gets to see all of it front and center on a day like today, I cannot. Also, can somebody please explain to me when the moon started coming out with the sun? Because it's every day now, and I don't remember that. So once again, the path just gets a little bit better because once we go down that windy path from the top, it does take us closer to the water and gives us a completely different view. And there is a fork in the road, but this side was actually closed due to a landslide and unstable grounds. As much as we love trespassing, we decided not to do that today because I would rather not fall off the side of a cliff. So, to the left we go. Landslide up there, and like some people live up there, so it was like if I guess when they got off, if it was a messed up like closed off road, there's only one way up there, and the only way is like around the other side of the mountain, so it was like an hour and a half drive to get on the other side. Because you know, like when you think about it, between Beverly Hills and oh
Okay.
okay, just kidding. I got more than I expected. Okay. Well, I want to lie and say I didn't put my mouth on both. Oh. It's a little more strenuous here, so make sure you're careful. You don't slide. Hopefully I don't. So, really, by the looks of the map, they call it different trails, but honestly, it's just like one big loop. Which I'm not mad at, because then I don't really feel like I'm missing out on anything. Oh, okay, so I see, like, I guess you can go that way back up, or you can keep going straight. Yeah, so nothing too crazy. They all get oceanside view, of course. Once we made it to the bottom of this section, I thought there was a trail that led straight to the bottom of the mountain, to the water, but false advertisement. This was actually as far as it got. It was just a lookout pathway. However, there were people down at the bottom, so there had to be a way to get down there, and I was very determined to figure it out. All right, so what are you doing? So we're on attempt number 2. We randomly found this like very small side trail, and I see that it's like, I don't know. This is obviously not like super treaded, so I'm not gonna record the whole time, but I just wanted you to see the beginning and see where it takes us. Okay, so it's like, yeah, definitely should be careful. But to be fair, it's not like the most insane thing. As I record Delora figuring out her way. Okay, we'll be back when we make it to the bottom. So this is a little sturdier. We have some grooves right here, so that's nice. Oh, look. Some rocks. It's just pretty, honestly, from every angle that you look at it. was a journey down here that just makes it so much rewarding because it's really just a bunch of rocks, but it's beautiful. It's pretty. I don't know if these are like man-made rocks put here or if it's just like they're all smooth because of them kind of just rubbing up against each other. One more hike down. I feel pretty accomplished. We're just gonna spend some time down here meditating, just enjoying it. And then we'll head back up in a little bit. Okay, I'm back with an update. I went to the water to see if I could find something cool. Well, first I found this rock. I showed this in my last video because I really should stop. But second, look at this. Let's see. I'll show it focus. There we go. Got Atlas coral. And my most prized possession. So cute. Found it just hanging in the water. But yeah, I tried to look for more, but honestly, I don't have room in my house to keep everything, so figured I should stop. Because otherwise, I'd take all these rocks home. They're so, like, I don't know, I'm just fascinated by how smooth they are. I would just like to give a friendly reminder that there is only one way up and down. So the way you came down the mountain is exactly how you must go up. Oh. So just make sure you're mentally prepared. Okay, we're in our home stretch. We just came from the mountainside over there. I really should stop pointing at these videos. Yeah, my hamstrings hurt. So I think I'm just gonna walk the mountain backwards for a bit. But overall, fantastic hike. 10 out of 10 recommend. Easily has become one of my favorites. Ouch. Some houses right there. That would be so beautiful to look up to. We're actually looking at this one up here. It's like a rounded front. So you just imagine waking up in your robe and going out to look at the ocean. Insane. Woo! And that, my friend, concludes our hike to the Ocean Trails Reserve. How was it?
It was great.
It was really nice.
No, it was fun.
I think going down to the water gave us a little bit of the workout we needed because I thought it was going to be easy the whole way when we first started. But I liked the small challenge.
And the views were amazing.
Oh, yeah, every angle was great. So, again, definitely recommend bring snacks, water. Make sure you stay hydrated. Which, speaking of, I need to do right now. Other than that, we're debating if we're gonna catch the sunset I'm kind of getting hungry. And that's it. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And we're out.